Massive undertaking we got over here on 14th Avenue. They scrape out the foundation, pull out the dirt from under there. Now we got the foundation where we're getting ready to cast the foundation. We're building it up right here. Very wide, and it's gonna be stable. Obviously, you see, it's not just a wire fence that you just put the pole in and dig it up with dirt. That's where the block between the line and the board, that's where the block gonna go up. That's what's going on right here, right now. So you get me a picture of it in it, and yeah, so that's what's going on the big undertaking we got going on the backdrop of the mattress. It's wet as wet can be, but anyway, that's what's going on. Nobody going in the door, but that's what's going on there. So I'm gonna go back inside here and